Hey everyone, Jose here from Rivian Tracker. So you probably got a new phone, or maybe you just need to set up your key card for your Rivian on your new phone, whether it's an Android or an iPhone. Well, in this little quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to do that. I just got a new phone, so I'm going to go ahead and set up and walk through the steps on how to configure your key card for your Rivian directly on your phone via the Rivian mobile app. So let's get started. Alright, so I have the Rivian mobile app downloaded. I logged into it. As you can see, it's saying set up your phone as a key. So we're going to go ahead and click get started. This is going to add your phone as a key, so you'll need to be in your vehicle to continue. As you can see, we're in the vehicle. Begin setup. And it says getting ready. This may take a moment. Your phone key needs to use Bluetooth, so you got to make sure that Bluetooth is enabled. So allow Rivian to find Bluetooth devices. Allow. Now, if you look over here on the screen, it popped up and said Jose's iPhone 16. So we're going to hit see devices. As you can see, it shows up there with the option to set up. So I'm going to tap setup. And now it's going to say phone key paired. Your phone key is ready. Done. That's it. Now everything is done. So I can come here and unlock it. And I can go through all the different features. Yeah. Look how easy that was. You probably have an old phone configured, so you probably want to delete it. You can come into the drivers and keys menu, tap your name, and you'll see a list of all the different devices you have that are set up as keys. For example, this Jose's iPhone is my old phone, which I'm no longer going to have. So I can click on it, click delete key, and that will remove it. You just want to make sure you do this so you can delete any unnecessary devices that maybe you get rid of, so you don't have to worry about it anymore. But that's pretty much it. Once you do that, it goes away from the screen on the car and on the app, and that's all you had to do. And that's how you set up a Rivian key on your new device. The process is very similar with Android devices as well as iPhone, as you saw. Yeah, that's all you had to do. Thanks so much for watching this video, guys. I hope you like, subscribe, comment below if you have any questions or ideas for other little quick tutorial videos like this to help new Rivian owners as well as pre-existing Rivian owners set up their Rivian and get everything configured exactly as they like. Yeah, I'll see you in the next one, guys. Take care.